Funding for an additional $400 million has been secured by Bahamas-based crypto exchange FTX, according to the company's press release. The transaction raises the company's valuation from $25 billion in October 2021 to an eye-popping $32 billion. At a time when crypto values have fallen significantly, FTX has built up a war chest of funds. CEO of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, at the Bitcoin 2021 conference on June 5, 2021 in Miami, Florida. At the Bitcoin 2021 conference in Miami, Florida on June 5, 2021, Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, spoke. New fundraising for cryptocurrency exchange FTX brought its valuation up to $32 billion on Monday, underscoring investors' persistent interest in the space despite concerns about a dramatic drop in crypto prices in the near future. This is the third time in the last 9 months that the Bahamas-based corporation has raised $400 million. Digital currency exchange FTX is one of the largest in the world, offering both spot and derivative trading. Though previously unknown, the company is now one of the leading players in the emerging cryptocurrency sector, competing with Coinbase and Binance. In the United States, the firm does not provide trading services. FTX US, FTX's sister exchange, performs that task. FTX US stated last week that it had invested $400 million in the company, valuing it at $8 billion. SoftBank's Vision Fund 2 and Tiger Global were among the investors in FTX's US affiliate that jumped on board for the company's own financing, according to FTX. In the midst of a significant decline in the value of digital currencies, FTX has amassed a war chest of more than $2 billion in venture capital funding. Compared to its November high of about $69,000, Bitcoin is down 46%, while other cryptocurrencies have fallen much further. Since then, there's been speculation of crypto winter, which refers to an even steeper decline in the market. A similar event occurred in late 2017 and early 2018, during which Bitcoin lost up to 80% of its previous record high value. In a down market, volume tends to dry up, which is terrible news for crypto exchanges. In an interview with CNBC, FTX CEO and co-founder Sam Bankman-Fried said, "I think we're not entering a long-term crypto winter." Crypto markets have been affected by shifting assumptions about interest rates, but it's also had an impact on the broader economy. Since the beginning of this year, the Nasdaq has fallen 11% year-to-date as investors reassess tech firms in light of rising interest rates from the Federal Reserve. As a direct competitor to FTX's Nasdaq debut last April, Coinbase has seen its share fall 46% since then. "It's something we've been talking about," Bankman-Fried responded when asked if his company was considering an IPO. "The answer is, I'm not sure if we will. I could see it happening or it could not. We don't feel like we need to do it," they say. However, according to him, the firm will try and be prepared in case it's something that we end up wanting to undertake. An audited financial statement and an examination of possible stock market listings would be part of these preparations, according to him. Regulators have become increasingly concerned about the use of digital assets in scams and other illegal activities, notwithstanding the market's recent expansion. Financing FTX's international expansion, Bankman-Fried stated, is a major priority. Now that its U.S. branch has been granted derivatives sales authorization, investors will be able to speculate on asset price changes using products like futures and options. International FTX commerce will be licensed by the end of the year, according to Bankman-Fried, throughout the bulk of the Western world. Fresh funding will be used to keep creating new items. In the crypto world, non-fungible tokens are the equivalent of collectibles, and FTX is now licensing its software to other businesses in the fields of fintech and gaming, Bankman-Fried added. FTX reported a 60% increase in its user base and a 40% increase in daily trading volumes to an average of $14 billion since its last capital round in October 2021 at a $25 billion value. The corporation has recently launched a $2 billion venture fund to invest in crypto startups. Bankman-Fried and co-founder Gary Wang started FTX roughly 3 years ago. For all of Bankman-Fried's experience on Wall Street, the crypto kingpin is not your normal financial executive. A sunny island country is home to him, as are a vegan diet and a wardrobe consisting of nothing but t-shirts and shorts. It's one thing that he has in common with the typical finance professional: a long workday. In the past, Bankman-Fried said he could get by on just 4 hours of sleep a night. A little more, he admits, but not a ton more. When it comes to private crypto startups, FTX is now one of the most valuable. According to Forbes, Bankman-Fried, who is just 29 years old, is one of the wealthiest people in the crypto industry, with a fortune estimated at over $22 billion. That number is expected to rise as a result of the increase in the value of his shares. In the early stages of his career, Alameda Research quantitative trader Bankman-Fried amassed a sizable fortune trading Bitcoin. His trading technique was based on arbitrage, in which investors try to profit from the disparity in asset prices across multiple markets.